How is cloud going to revolutionize or change the world of IT pros and developers?
It's already changing the world. That's the answer to that. That's one of the first things, the first message to bring across on this particular keynote was it's already changing. And then to think about who's changing it. Some huge companies in the USA have already gone to the cloud. One of the things we needed to get across. Also here in Norway, I know the Finnish government has gone to the cloud, I think with the Microsoft solution. Maersk, the Danish shipping firm, all to the cloud already. So it really is happening. That's the first thing to understand. And then why? Cost saving, enormous flexibilities. Think of dumping all that CapEx and instead just having this lovely operational expenditure. So CFOs love it, the financial guys love it. Also developers should love it. Another theme of my talk this morning was that imagine you've got a situation where suddenly the developer's back in the driving seat. Because you know what? Now we've got a little bit of extra money maybe for doing innovation within the cloud, for building some collaboration tools within the cloud with the money we've saved from the infrastructure. So that was another point that the cloud has come, that it is here, and really we are now going to be functioning and running along the roads of cloud.
So the cloud is here, basically.
It's like saying, let's talk about horses and carts, but over here we've got roads with lovely tarmac at them and lines and things. Why would you be over here? So that's really, of course it's new, and of course there are some issues, we talked about those. Obviously there are privacy issues, they're being dealt with. Obviously there are security issues, they're being dealt with. So some of the things that we do know, scalability clearly proven, reliability clearly proven, those are huge companies, governments, Maersk, global companies. So really it's time to start trying it. Try doing the cloud. Let's stop talking about the cloud.
So that was the key takeaways from your session.
I hope so. I hope so. That now is the time to become involved, that it's a great time for IT, whether you're in a small company saving those money or whether you're in a huge company, because they're going to ask you, are you architecting now for the cloud? Because that's what we insist. So it doesn't matter where you are on the IT spectrum, you are going to have to get cloud savvy.
So if you're going to have some recommendation for the viewers here if you want to start exploring the cloud if they haven't already done so,
what vendor neutral, but I have to say that I'm a great believer in first mover disadvantage. The people who get there first don't necessarily do it best. And the people who get there later don't necessarily do it worst. Often they're the best. So why not I would go to 2 Microsoft sites, if that's okay. I would go look at Office 365. That's the new world that we're moving toward, Office out of the cloud. Go look at Windows Azure. It would be crazy not to. That was where I would start. I'm sure you can link to it from these interviews. And do it now. No more talking. Go to the cloud.
Great. You found the links below.